Hi, this is Radha from MBA department. Today we would like to discussing about product life cycle. So product life cycle. Before going to discussing about the topic, we have to discussing about what is product and what is business. So first of all, we have to discussing about what is business. So business means the exchanging of goods and services from one person to another person or one place to another place is called as business. Okay, the buying and selling of goods and services. So buying and selling. So buying and selling of goods and services from one person to another person or one place to another place is called as business. Goods and services. What is goods? Goods are the products. Okay, so goods and services, products. Products are the tangible elements. Okay, so products are the tangible elements having particular shape and size. So what is tangible? So tangible elements. What is tangible? Tangible means we can see and touch is called as tangible. So for example, like pen, pencil, car, bike, house. Okay, so products are the tangible elements. Why? Because we can see and touch. Okay, so next we have to discussing about services. Services are the intangible elements. Services are the intangible elements. So what are intangible elements? Like transportation, banking, insurance. Okay, so hospitality, education, they are the services. So services are the intangible elements we can't see and touch. Okay, so next, product. So product. So in the production process we have to produce the product. Okay, so products coming from production process. After completion of production process we have to collect the products. What is production? So production, in the production process the raw materials are converted into finished goods. Okay, so first of all we have to take the raw materials in the work in progress. Okay, in the work in progress we have to produce, okay, final products, finished goods. So okay, so in the production process the raw materials are converted into finished goods. So raw materials are converted into finished goods by the utilizing all available resources. Okay, we have to use resources in the production process. We have to converting the raw materials into finished goods. So what are resources? Land, labor, capital, machinery and methods. Okay, so these are the resources. So methods means proper planning, process and programs. Okay, in the present scenario most of the organizations and most of the industries used machinery. So machinery means that is the technology. So we have to use machinery. So we have to produce the products in the production process. So capital, there is no capital and there is no business. So labor means workers, employees. Okay, so etc. So next, product starts with introduction in the market for the purpose of sale. Okay, so product start with introduction in the market for the purpose of sale. So the demand of that product is gradually increased in the market and it reached to its maximum from where it start decline. It is effective life span of a product. So product life cycle. So product life cycle means the lifetime of product is called as, so product life cycle. So cycle means, okay, cycle means from starting to ending, from birth to death. Okay, so all products have certain length of life during which they pass through certain identifiable stages. Okay, so all the products have certain length of stages. So the product life cycle, PLC means product life cycle is a conceptual representation of product aging process. Like your life is divided into stages, same as life of your product is also divided. Okay, each and every human being having different stages. Okay, each and every human being having different stages. So first, before birth. Okay, so next child, next adolescent, and next adult, and next old age, and next death. Okay, so birth to death. So child, adolescent, adult, and old age. So next we will discuss the topic stages of product life cycle. Okay, so stages of product life cycle. Before going to discussing the topic stages of product life cycle, so the product life cycle cycle concept is the explanation of the product from its birth to death. Already we have to discussing. Okay, birth to death. So birth to death as a product exists in different stages and in different competitive environments. Okay, so different competitive environments in the present scenario and in the present situation, present market. So we have to face more and more challenges. Okay, in the market scenario. Okay, first stages of product life cycle. First one is the product life cycle stages can be classified into 4 types. Okay, so the product life cycle stages can be classified into 4 types. First one is the introduction stage, and second one is the growth stage, and third one is the maturity stage, and fourth one is the decline stage. These 4 stages are the product life cycle. Okay, so first one in introduction stage. So introduction stage is also known as initiation stage. Okay, in this stage there is no sales and there is no profit. Okay, there is no sales and there is no profit. It is the first stage wherein the product is launched in the market with full scale production and marketing program. Okay, so it is the first stage. Introduction stage is the first stage wherein the product is launched in the market with full scale production and marketing program. So the product is new one. It means a product that opens up an entirely new market, replaces an existing product, or significantly broadens the market for an existing product. Okay, so in that introduction stage, okay, so there is no sales, there is no awareness, there is no awareness about your product, and there is no awareness about your business, and there is no awareness about your quality. Okay, so this is the initiation stage. So the factors of introduction stage. So low and slow sales. In this stage, low and slow sales, and in this stage, high product price. So this is the initiation stage. So we don't have any knowledge about customers and product. So a high product price, heavy promotional expenses. So in that stage we have to invest more amount on like advertisements. Okay, promotional strategies, and we have to get a low profit. Okay, we have to get low profit. So next we have to discussing about growth stage. This is the second stage. So after completion of introduction stage, first stage, we have to entering into the growth stage. Okay, so we have to entering into the growth stage. In this stage, okay, so we have to entering into the growth stage. So once the market has accepted the product, so once the market has accepted the product, sales begin to rise and product enter in its second stage. Okay, so once market accepted the product, okay, sales begin to rise. Sales begins to rise and product enter its second stage. The product achieves considerable and widespread Okay, so widespread approval in the market. The sales and profits are increased in this stage. So the sales and profits are increased in this stage. So the sales will be increases, automatically the profit will be increases. Okay, in this effective distribution, advertising and sales promotions are considered as the key factors. Okay, in this stage, rapid increasing sales and product improvements and increase in profits, reduction in price, and distribution channel. Okay, so next, so a third stage is the maturity stage. Okay, so the third one is the maturity stage. So market becomes saturated because the household demand is satisfied and distributed channels are full. Okay, so the product has to face keen competition, which brings pressure on prices. Okay, so in this stage, the sales will be increases. This is the standardization position. There is no, there is no profit. There is no profit and there is no loss. Okay, so this is the standardization position. Okay, so though the sales of the product rises but at lower rate, profit margin however decline due to keen competition. So in this stage, the sales increases at decreasing rate. Okay, sales increases decreasing rate. In this stage, normal promotional expenses. Okay, so we don't invest more amount on promotional strategies or So uniform and lower prices. Okay, in this stage, so uniform and lower price, we have to offering lower prices to the customers, and dealers support. Okay, in this stage we have to take the support from your dealers. Okay, why? Because so we have to they are knowing about your product and company and your business and quality and customer satisfaction. So, and profit margin decreases. Okay, in this stage profit margin will be decreases. So, and the last stage, okay, and fourth one, last stage is the decline stage. Okay, this is the decline stage. So this is the final stage. Okay, so actual sales begin to fall under the impact of new product competition and changing consumer behavior. So in this stage, the sales will be fall down. Okay, so with the change of consumer behavior. So in this stage, okay, each and every customer always want to newness, and each and every customer always want to some benefit. Okay, so the consumer behavior automatically change. Okay, when new market or existing new market or introduced in the market. Okay, so in this stage, the sales and profits fall down sharply. So sales will be decreases, automatically the profit will be decreases. So in this stage, so the sales and profits fall down sharply. So and the promotional expenditure has to be cut down. Okay, so the promotional expenditures has to be cut down. Okay, drastically. So in this stage, rapid decrease in sales. So rapid decrease in sales and further decrease in prices. Okay, further decreases in prices and no promotional expenses and suspension of production work. This is the stages of product life cycle. The product life cycle stages can be classified into 4 types: introduction, growth, maturity and decline. So in the introduction stage there is no sales, and after completion of introduction stage we have to entering into the growth stage. So in this stage the sales will be increased. So next stage maturity. So maturity stage, in this stage the sales will be increases and there is no decrease. Okay, and there is no increase. And last one, decline. So in this stage the sales will be fall down and automatically the profit will be fall down. Thank you.